8 years.
Yeah.
How's life after? I mean,
Well, 8 years, like you rightly said, hasn't been easy anyway. But once we can complain, once we cannot change anything on our own, we've embraced that. Oh yes, we have embraced that, and so
wow,
therefore, life goes on.
oh, wow,
In remembrance of Her Royal Majesty or Imakwati.
yeah,
Yes,
oh hima.
yes.
Maybe I'm no being come up about the late Ebony, no. Now you can jollof party be one sem. Is it still there?
Shall always be there even when I'm gone. That was a
Wow.
promise I made,
Wow,
and I need to keep that promise.
wow.
So obviously, it's gonna be so.
Shasi because senia ohima na osomoma na still na no ye person in legacy now na iguso yes ade we de ma ohima ye ohima ansa na obeba asase so na bibi wo ho bia prophecy bi bai se bia ohima abaya ya oba bontin ebre bi oba be kura ami Ghana mu ye nwum kakra obekọ dia for some years bi ana bibi sa na bibi sa ohonom.
This question is deep, but let me see how best I can see if I can put up one or two here.
Okay.
Nanayema, Nidiana Nanayema.
Yeah.
Because yeah, one on because we mammy or Auntie Florence. Florence be what?
Yes. Yes.
In fact, I saw mom and I saw this beautiful girl and I said, hey, this is him.
Wow.
And the didn't know him, and I am only your baby.
Hima.
Indiana Naima. Indiana me no hima kwati. Kwati ya meme said the mtino na account.
Okay.
Nti uti ni because na hima.
Na hima, yes.
Indiana no.
Hima.
Because from day one there was this that I found in her. Sorry to say, I believe in the spirit so much. I'm a spiritualist. That should say. I don't give you who's saying that because I am. I hope you get my point here. Yes, I am. Big time spiritualist. I believe in the spirit more than anything.
Okay.
And you know, indeed, she was special, so to speak. Let me cut it this way. She was special from day one. And indeed, she grew to be the person that she was from day one.
Wow.
So why wouldn't I celebrate her there? Why wouldn't I celebrate her birthday?
Wow.
And indeed, why wouldn't I feel so proud to have been a part of this personality? I'm always proud to be a part of her.
Wow.
And treat everyone here to be proud of her because Oya Bruni, yeah, bro from the Jack, yeah, BBB. So unfortunately, it didn't last as expected. So sad.
Yeah. Okay, so you're a spiritualist. You say, baby kakra. Didn't you see it coming? Because
good question. Yeah, my maker chapter. Once upon a time, let me go to biblically. Young man be by the effort of Jesus Christ, even though he knew he was dying.
Yeah.
Because he had been told he was going to die.
Yeah.
He was even told who was going to betray him.
Yeah.
He had it. He tried to persuade the omnipotent.
Yeah.
If it was possible to avert what happened. Because even the Messiah.
Yeah.
So holiday, I believe a question well answered here.
Okay.
How about that?
Yeah.
I wouldn't fed up more. No, I'm not too sure about that.
So you saw it.
That's all.
It. Wow.
What was that? There was nothing anybody could have done at that time of the time. At that time of the time. So it is.
Wow.
Your line of question is interesting anyway. I've always liked this guy.
98.9 FM. Yeah, the late Ebony. Never pale off here. How you doing?
I like that.
Now, many this year be I not managing and comedy home because I go straight to. I mean, the free na come on wakani in ama and come on here. Now, maybe I may be a phone lines and that phone so kakra because this time Jollof Party at the Basunyai and Pimpy a yen will be my a yen crew for Frosso and kind for I enjoy. Now, you move near per se a Kobe Bams a Juma time now in Tim boy, but this time my Basunya dear, Ning I be baby now enjoy. Yeah, enjoying so. I think some more Ebony songs will be played that night, that evening. I am Yen Mr. Quatin, my member, you say Ebony or yeah, you go. Still, then you know a fetchiska, and I say, you're close to Bibia.
I wouldn't say, well, say, sometimes, you know, it's like, it wasn't about money. And I am Manakasatias, you know. She worked in vain.
She worked
in vain. She worked in vain. She did.
Me patcho breaking it down my kakra because
said the na say ko nya no one said that what tenchen there wo de wadwini bu ye no
yeah say be oh yeah adwuma do
down wasn't the case anyway.
Okay.
And you know when it comes to things like this now if you say I know the enya dey na me involved so much I don't want to go there because I feel something anytime I discuss her purse.
But na ye intellectual property.
And intellectual property, yes, of course, yes. And you know the token there, of course, yes.
Okay.
I will call it token.
Okay.
Because who the YouTube account and everything could be baby. Also, I can say me now. Baby, I'm saying I don't know one.
Star boy only baby.
Maybe.
And I one pushes a be out.
How do I have pushed? Not gonna push say somebody should present something. Who has an idea?
Okay.
For that me no me bani wono supersede sika ne bibia. What is it? After I say I've made my life the best way, the little way I can or I could. My and your chicken change.
Okay.
Until I didn't push, but somebody should have been reasonable enough to say that this is what it is. That I would have appreciated that. How about that? But it wasn't about that. It can never be about that.
Wow.
But the portion there, she gets it right. Say music, I'm saying, oh, my, Nancy, oh, my man, 1 year be able to be 600, 500,
okay.
500 cities. I'm not talking of dollars anymore.
Royalties, no.
Yes.
For the back.
Yeah, well, just here.
But Ghana, so the country where the
Papa, you says that I won't say woman deal. But yes,
I think this country, I think we are sick because Ebony, Juma or Ebony, be boy, now. Yes, every year. Oh, assume it's all tears.
Oh,
I mean, the name no more boy. Still, still, and it's still new in the system. Ubo be a new system. Now, your friends,
I put I know why you to it.
Mumu so
sweet. And yet, no cave, no bend, be above 1 pine. From me, I gamu, and I'm going to gamu.
Yeah,
and Tamana. There's the idea, no. The idea, yeah.
And after you ba free mono, then you back be poppy up.
Police, that's right.
And no, na bibi asha wonsa. Why now push the bar now?
Management. Say he had this management.
Yeah.
And everything was just on them. Maybe I was my fingers crossed. I would say this. My fingers were crossed like this, and once your fingers are crossed, it's like you're watching whoever is in charge. And indeed, like I'm saying, I think what was deserved there,
Only Sakai.
Yeah,
okay.
That's it.
So you say after BBA call na yesu na ye say you to be a bit more pay me ba na crab na BBA call smoothly na call and say yet is now the obi about to replace her cause saying
well, I mean, him said they will sit here, but I didn't bring anyone to replace Ohima because Ohima is irreplaceable. Who didn't replace him?
Yes,
but me do be by just 2 because me were record label, the Bonnie to the World Records. Me record label.
Okay.
And see, now me in the Chinese.
So Bonnie to the
World Record.
And Rough Town Records, Beckham Boom.
There be.
All right. Okay.
You know the no first anniversary, you know us. First anniversary, I think so.
Yes.
And a concert, no, honum no. Bonnie to West and Sir Rough Town, no. Linkage, no.
Okay.
We call it collaboration.
Okay.
And I don't know a different, but what it is this anyway. I don't know. I just don't know.
Wow. So.
I just don't know.
Remember TF for also quite no more bomb kakra because you feel pow. You feel pow.
It's where they made the bomb doorstep and I'm going to say,
yeah, Bobo
peg now. So
this time,
let's enjoy. Let's do justice to come over. Let's see you. You never know the person you're meeting there. It can be anybody, trust me.
But Mr. Kwati, what man achieve? Go 8 years. I feel now so you're so there. Maybe call baby and now.
Training Sanibremu.
Yeah.
This is the time for
the
this.
appointed time. So this is the perfect time.
This is the perfect time
for
her celebration in Sunyani.
Wow.
I believe in time. I told you I'm a spiritualist.
Yeah.
So I do things being controlled. I take directions.
Yes.
And instructions.
And you said something this year. Moko Nena also said we should make a wish.
Yes, I said so. Whoever came with me had the privilege to make a wish. Whoever make a wish and you mark it. Trust me, mark it. He who made a wish. Why would you even doubt that in the first place? Why would you think, say, where there? Because I remember Happy Sunday, maybe one FM station book in Crown. The host was like showing off, flexing muscles and saying what he doesn't know. Who cares about what you know, what you don't know, what you believe in, what you don't believe in?
Yeah.
That is you. This is me. And the may have uttered and made a statement.
Yeah.
And now be who be made a wish.
Yes.
So the best now baby says, so who will make you wish? I finished one. No one beside the say. How did it go? Yeah. So that you will believe it. Won't go to our studio thinking you are the boss because you have the microphone or whatever they call it, the console. before you know, maybe I know sometimes I feel bad about certain comments, but what we do, we take that in good faith, because he who feels it knows it.
Yes.
Who knows it feels it.
Yes.
And we'll be outside and never can do open. Ghana Nankas, well, I wouldn't say Ghana is part of mankind.
Yeah.
So then the part of sanity. And you are not there. Also, I can also there be winning the India Mesa.
Yes, it's
true. We are in a world whereby it's harmony, no, and Yajuma, because Obia feels okay in their own right.
Okay.
But Obia, whoever made the wish, trust me. When you win, now we didn't have a journey. Just believe it. And Yajuma, as simple as AB. See, when you're beside Fasika go try Nipati and I go Gunsa.
Yeah.
Nabi Debi and I say quiet Kojimo Jabi. And now so many be no, that's far from that. Nippon say
make a wish.
Make a wish. One Nippon said you make a wish. As simple as ABC. Just make a wish.
I don't know, say
just make a wish.
Everything they're related to a palm. Like, you know,
make a wish. That's my understanding.
Okay.
Make a wish. What can be here power back could be Nare.
Say Emma Muma.
Come on here, send me. Nare.
Say Mamma.
Come here, Keke. I will say, yeah, check, because we shall soon, I wouldn't say soon, we shall one day leave the surface of this sinful and complicated world.
Yes. One day.
Well, no matter what.
Yes.
But the people say, when we are gone, and Kofi Benyes and be a campfire.
Yeah.
Martin Luther King, when you become or no. Confornochi, you said something about him, right? They culminated all those guys, none no powerful. No. Omuja, maybe why, and then
yes.
So why don't you believe once upon a time there may be a guy? He said something and he did work. Yes. It was like that.
Yes.
Why wouldn't you believe that one? And I saw you obedient because they are both across. Obi abuna send your muji and dia where they leave. Sorry about that. Anyway, I'm carried away. Yeah. Forgive me, son. Sometimes I get carried away.
The
Jesus Christ guy was hanged.
Yes.
Obitim ko sinase what to go on board or go. Obitim ko sinase su kan na brother say nyina akire no. With the knowledge, with the belief say the BBC. So me know me come by for you now when I'm make a wish. You have no any idea why I'm instructing you. I'm ordering you. Me na me nim the man who need there. And I'm saying they make a wish because me that say wo ba hobby.
Yeah.
Until they make me there twa can say
make a wish.
Make a wish. That's the payment. Because we'll be market, you just market, and I'm saying find someone. Once upon a time, you will be your buy.
Yeah,
at that time when I was in my heat.
Yeah, and I don't know, so media not covering because this is the first time I see wish as a room.
That's the first time I've said this. 8 years, 8 years, 8 uchem, a year.
Yeah, 4.
You know.
Yeah.
So 8 years, no, near see make a wish. So make a wish, yeah, che. Make a wish. So he must already make a wish. No new, as simple as ABC. We are long, but you watch it. What you watch it?
I love the term. We are long. Starboy, still you are that Starboy now. Interesting. Wow. On Monday.
You like me, right? I could see that.
We like you.
I
like you.
I know. Yeah. You've always liked me.
Yeah. So Monday, you be share dreamers. Yeah, baby, share Ebony, Papa, and Sunday was Yaka yeah, didn't share Guaquam Jollof Party. You about a couple of songs. Nina so make he hate. Be anywhere, cousin, you way there, and make it. But to you, the Nana, a Bobia still to me, feel it. This is Nana him, ma.
Oh, Baba, my dear, I can't show. So, Baba, my dear, a real, then you go see real.
Real,
yes. Now I want to say never on the album no so na man for Andrea Maso. I want to say what no around
but I know your danceable ones no.
That's the problem.
Yeah, that's
but people say me them people. And now when some danceable one.
Oh dear na but once I can say ya aduan ko so na mostly your danceable ones in there na entire ya aduan ko we small.
But trust me you love that. Sometimes mu portray me picture be out to say me a wicked o that. I mean what anyway I to say okay. Wicked face. Hey,
you are not wicked.
I'm not.
You are not.
I'm so positive.
Me, I always say, who is straight?
That's me.
Yeah, who is straight.
Just like Ohima Kwati.
You say your mind.
just like Ohima Kwati. She was like that. People don't know. She was also a bad girl, bold and daring. Bad Nasia no.
Yeah.
Bold and daring, and went bad no.
Okay.
Not this bad girl no. Yes, a Aklabon, but not this bold and daring girl.
Wow.
She was just like that. And you will name it.
So what can say your favorite now? And let's take a listen to it.
That's it.
That's what.
Oh wow. Okay, so that you the common the baby meaning say baby after tell ya me come say ye binya nipa baako ana no nso ejina mu ma sunyan ana ye reaching na so far I think say the nyame ahyehyɛ de wahyehyɛ ato say ne besi what the obi ba senka o me continue and yeah maybe that's a question still esa wo team say bibi sa besia to so
this have the mind say bi omo nyini kakra no me ne omo enye adwuma no
okay
na wo me ne chankra bi crank to me obi enu bo from
wow
from scratch
wow
so
politicians back at grassroots
exactly
okay
until they pick it from scratch
yes
now man ne cha wo musically
wow
now omo babe to na him adwuma so I'm working tirelessly on that
wow
until pretty soon I hope so
Star Boy Quartin.
Yes.
And manage the fact that that is I didn't the man one so we see no simple.
Now you can't fight the media.
Yeah.
You don't have the strength, the accoutrement to fight the media.
Yeah.
Media, as I say, the one always a woman, you embrace it.
Wow.
In good faith, anyway. So that was that.
Okay.
and there 14th. And they are dofoda.
Yeah, Thursday.
Now interestingly, my my wife, Nana Himama, and they the birthday.
Wow.
Can you imagine that? It's a double special day for me. Yes, and they my birthday.
Then I think February, this month February.
Another way behind.
Makia Ipa or Brabo.
Very significant.
Wow.
Very significant. Month February, so significant. Significance, no, a woman, no, huge. Wow. Yes, indeed. My many 14th being about the
so
that and also, I mean, and let's say share make another serious area concerning February. Actually, you will love that. But I'll keep it for now. Maybe next time.
Anytime you have maybe so.
What was that I was referring to?
Yeah.
Because February, another year, I hold it in high esteem.
Wow.
It's so much year per February month, no. Month be
you don't joke with it.
I never joked with it.
Wow.
I don't know what I'm gonna joke with that because month be in as much as I love, no blessings womb.
Yeah. Me who said media no capture one be na omo bisa bibi about. I mean, the record label I know yeah Juma womb. Say Juma dia woody like omo follow omo di HDB and you said you know I said and as a young so media and as a young so you interest or more because you him say you say me say baby obi a me na sanya e bia one way or the other be two ni bi no tell me am kai do wa me so me enye sika. What about the driver
before God man I've never ever gone to see any of Nenkrofo. I must say
okay
ye nyina na de toya ni
yeah
o ma me hume ama me yakọ na yede na mafomo bi yakọ. Sorry if I said it wrongly. Yeah. Because ye nyina ya me ba wu ana wondi no so awu. Okay nti na o ba de no ye nyina ade ato ye nti ye de nya that you know ha ye nsu anwie nti ye de man timi anya fa che me
Matthias here. So 8 years afibia ye jollof party okwa sorry dem ye wade bi a friend is as affordable as a oba for ye yes to abodo gus wani da chi bi sabeka. Is it a way obani di jaw say and I say no si aka no o ya ade bi free mu ba ma wo to you ana.
Well, I wouldn't say no, I wouldn't say yes either. All I would say is say me ban me kind on her birthday.
And this time yeah so Accra or a Chini location.
Good. This time no yeah I just say onyema baba ninchi bie.
Okay.
Na ye ka bie so a na me ka sunyan.
Yeah.
Into this time around no there yeah no was sunyan ya no Monday coming 16th Monday
Jollof party no.
Jollof party.
Is it going to be jollof and before Frobeka?
Has always been the case. Jollof, salad, chicken and sans, your nam and everything. Anyway, jollof, real African jollof, Ghanaian jollof for that matter.
Yeah. Ghana jollof.
Yes, Ghana jollof, so to speak.
Yeah.
Typical Ghanaian style.
Wow.
We are good cooks, as you say.
Yeah.
They cook so well.
Yeah.
And I believe strongly say, Mama Beban would do enjoy it that much.
Wow. And this time, you say, why are you free? Tembia, a month will be sack stay, womb, try. This time, is it free, sir? And before be changes.
Well, Mina, good question anyway, as always. Sir, I don't know hotel. And an idea we actually know.
Yeah.
No, see, I did some mommy.
Yeah.
It's in the absence, no, may any birthday.
Yeah.
I don't think you. Right, one will be an adjoining year. You don't say, "Obi Maniscabane fan celebrating about birthday."
Yeah,
most so no crano only.
Yeah,
and I've never ever, and I don't think I'm ever going to do that. Say, me fight me cap be say, Obi Mamis can go celebrating about. And as always, me am cost.
Okay,
come and dine and wine on me, just on me.
Wow.
Would you hear and say, "Would you on Pablo Wabi?"
All the bills on you.
That is it. All the bills on me.
Yeah.
Just let me take care of you on this special day, because on him man quality is special.
Yeah.
And I treat her as such.
Yeah.
So let's join together. I mean, come over, whoever.
Wow.
Trust me, at the end of the day, you will enjoy coming.
Yeah.
You will never regret. Yeah.
Your side attraction be warm. Would there be?
Well, I wouldn't say this yes or no, but I'll entreat everyone to come over to see for yourself what that is. Just come over. You will see things for yourself. I don't want to preempt anything.
Yeah. Wow.
I just want to keep it.
Wow.
But I involve everyone to come over.
Okay, so venue ben you can want to say because you can sunyai. We have a lot of places I me quite na enjoy on. One of these places here na say be you fee and
yeah, be no dreamers.
Dreamers. Okay.
Yes.
Opposite
to sec.
Okay.
Yeah. How
okay.
be no.
Okay.
It was a honor special so.
Yes.
It's nipa mra me here nipa bebre. Obi amra. Just come over, pass through. You never know.
So Monday 16th
8 o'clock going
8
from
PM.
7 p.m. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Well, we upon you man now. Yeah, now they what be pay jollof papa be 1-2 bottles be that 2 na for baby. Yeah.
Mr. Kwate, all starting na be bebre or this dream we doubt say entimi nkosi aga and consistency. The year 1, year 2, year drew 8th edition ayebeye. When your sponsors free baby ana.
Me be there like I've said, and I would never wish for one. As a matter of fact.
Wow.
Who knows it feels it. Who feels it knows it. That is the case. I feel it, so I know it. Me there person me say Ghana for this say come over, let's dine together. Mo dey woman say mo medi na mo nko. Mo trek.
Is there any secret in this? Because Ebony,
there was some moment here. And my budget every year. We want a budget to do that every blessed year.
What for 2 be man?
Now, and even in my absence, when I'm gone, my children will take up from there.
Wow.
A legacy be our own Akrano, and you will be an Nahima. Some are better than Ohima.
Yeah.
She was equally better than others.
Yes.
Some people too.
Yes.
But maybe the father, the family head, you know. I want to portray to the whole world say, indeed, she was a special personality.
Wow.
And doing this has been like ritual. I always want to do that.
Okay.
I feel doing it. And me hear resources in advance.
Wow.
We travel to at war. On bay.
Wow.
Yes.
Na mpacho mkura na omo yese omba na omo yese.
My 3.
3.
Yes.
And I mean Ebony not also say mpacho.
No, last girl. 3, yeah.
Eba sa emma mpanyimfo ni nya adwe bi omutun say daddy loves or him more than us. Bisa ni ho.
One is blood.
Okay.
From one system.
Okay.
And now him man ye nyina na dan no. Ye dan how do I mean? Now you him man tini yesomo no.
Okay.
Nti ni nuanu nyina koto they bow to her.
Upon so yeah.
Oh yeah, they be move nyina obi ye nyina including me. The godfather na gasa kwa na me respect no because no you him man.
Wow.
Nti no obi no otribika bi. And they always advise me to push it on. I should not stop us after. And I've always told them that no, I'm not going to stop. Even in my absence, you're going to continue that.
Okay.
And to me, honest, man, yeah, hold them responsible.
Wow. And then she because Sanya or him man, I don't know. So yeah, do soon.
Mumra, Jack, provision ye, Mumra, come over. Come over, guys.
Obvious on that. You know.
Come over. You just come over.
Wow.
I would say one thing, and I believe you're gonna get me loud and clear. What is it? Where any party nyana abekwa benya duane edi. Okay. Yes. Because you don't know, but come in the numbers. Now where the one year duane ni, any do benya duane edi. Well, 1 year duane ya ni no. You came. Yeah. You saw. Yeah. You conquered. Yes. It's as simple as ABC. Echinabenya asmakan na na hima ayi the crowd was there. Unfortunately, we do none because trust me, I can't provide the entire sunyane with food. No, I wouldn't say that. But trust me, be there and you have a chance. You have it. I mean, you will enjoy your time with me. It's just pass through and let's see.